Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, 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 and welcome back to another stream. It's, I have exciting plans today. Exciting plans for me. Because we're going to do more AI stuff. But yesterday, we set up the teleport mechanic, where if we got way too far away from this guy, eventually, assuming he doesn't lose track of us, yep, there he goes. He drops down on top of us after 2 seconds. And it's a little buggy when he, I think, loses track of us. Where'd he go? Oh, great. That still needs to be figured out, but I think that part was going to be figured out after I fix the AI in general. Because I think he just loses who I am at that moment. Is my only guess. Otherwise, I have no idea where he is. I guess if I did this, and I did Great Spider. Where are you? I'm at negative 1,000. You're at negative 880. He's 80 units in the air. Hold on, can I do... Oh, he's right here. But he's just invisible. If I go here and I go visibility. Yeah, he's... That is creepy as hell. That is creepy as hell. Let me just quickly see. Is there something that... He should be going visible at all times. There should be no way for him not to go visible. Because... So he becomes invisible here. The sprite becomes invisible here. And then he does this. Oh. This is the problem. Found it. That's the problem. I had a false there that I didn't go into our false. because he basically he was not able to trace, I guess. So now it should be fine. No matter. Oh, I need to pull aggro from first. Run away! So now if he loses me or something fails in the trace or something like that, he'll still be fine. There he goes. Okay. Awesome. Well, that was an easy fix. But I'm quite happy with this. So what I want to do today is first start with getting the rest of the animations in, and then I want to go ahead and what's it called? Do the AI for these guys. Namely, I want this guy, or in general, I just want for like just in general for these enemies, I want to give them a jump attack, and just like a jump forward, jump back, just jump somewhere, because he can maybe jump and then attack, or or just jump, etc., etc. So let's begin with Blender and some animations. Starting with the animations that we have left to do. And we did the React one. We have the heavy React one. And this one is going to be the one that plays when he's stunned. And it's a much shorter one, which is surprising. Oh, I see. This is like the start of it. It's not the full thing. Oh no, he just gets moved. His root gets moved back. So let me see how it looks when I don't have him move his root. So here, root, Y, delete. You know, this is probably a better hit animation than the other one. I feel like I should use this one for the hit, and the other one with the full length one should be like the stun one. Okay. Here's what we'll do. I'll render this one out as like a hit 2. I'll swap it out, and then I'll deal with hit 1 full length at a later point, if I decide to do that. I can't do it now. Let's see. So hit heavy. This is gonna be a hit 2. Save. Up files, spider, reactions, hit underscore heavy. I'm gonna change it to just hit 2. Folder. 2. This is D. Yep. And then I'm gonna make sure that I save this down. Hit 2. As hit 2. So now if I render this, there's our folder. And it's a nice quick one. Okay. That's all we need to do there. So now, if I do rename, this will be just hit 2. Rename, hit 2. Okay. This is probably going to work just a lot better. So let's see. So these are 11 frames. If only it was 10. It would be so much better. But I guess, it's, I guess, 4 to 4. 5 to 5. So I guess, selecting is not. Seven and then 8. Okay. Split it. Output. We're good. Now, fuse. And now I'm thinking about it as like just numerical here. Like I don't need to check. What I usually do is check where it splits. But I guess now I'm just like, okay, it's 6 next. 7 next. So that makes it easier. You and you. Okay. Export. And now in here, just see what this animation rate is. So it's it's quite a long animation. So this is actually going to be considerably better. So let's go to my spider reactions. It's 2. Actually, what I'm going to do is, I'll just make it a hit 2. 2. I was going to do, I want to put hit under like the old section, but like, nah. That's fine. You don't need to. So now these, that seems a lot better as an animation. For what we want, I think that will be much better. Okay, let me just swap out the animation now. I want to the characters, enemy. And we're swapping out the hit one. Down, left, down, right, left. And you can also see how many frames this is. Now reduce the time is stunned, potentially. This is 11 frames, not even 1 second. So this should be okay. Yeah, that looked fine. Awesome. So that's good now. So now let's go back to, we're gonna do a hit long. And so we're going to do it long. And this is where I'm going to put my new render. And that one is already set up for us. So if I go to our first hit file, right? So we're going to do just the full length of this. Yeah, so from 1 to all the way to the end. So that way we have this, and this is going to be like when he is like crit stunt or crit hit, he can go into this one, which is longer. Or I might, you know, and give it something during this. He probably won't be shaking during this entire thing. It'll be a whole new system that I'll need to set up. It'll be like shake here, don't do anything here, and then yeah, only shake like for the first little bit. I'll deal with that later. For now, we need to put this in where it's now reactions and a hit long. Because this is going to be a long one. Yep. There we go. So now this is going to do its thing. There's all the files being rendered out. I delete my own notifications of me going live. Which I don't know if I'm happy that YouTube does that or not. Where if you go live, you get your own email saying, hey, you're live. I guess it helps prevent people from like go live on your own channel. But as someone that hates unread notifications of any kind, like, now I gotta delete it. I gotta go and delete it. I can't. I have to. This is surprisingly much faster than I thought it would be. Normal. Okay, so this is going to be hit long. How long is this? 296. We've had longer. Okay. Save. Let's process this guy. Well, how long are these sequences? Yeah, 37. Well, this one we have to do by checking. There it is. Hmm? The top one is always the easiest one too. Like to the top one and from the top one, or I guess the same thing, is always the easiest to identify. It's the 3/4 ones that are right. That's not a big gap. If you go fast, you're gonna miss it. Long one. It's normal. Oh. I gotta do the base color, diffuse. Man, yeah, color is even harder to tell, I think. Damn it. That one's easy. Okay. Is it? That's the one. Yeah. Got everything lined up? Yes, we do. So it's this one, and then we just need to do the walk backwards one. And then I think we're done. I think those are only ones we had to do still on the spider. So really, we just need to do the walk backwards one, unless I forgot one. Come on. Read the files. You can do it. Okay, that's taking way too long for how many there are. Come on. There he goes. I was getting a little worried there. I'm not gonna lie, because it's taking surprisingly long for how many files are. We've done more, and I feel like it was faster before. Oh, but these are all 256 size versus 128 size, so yeah, I guess that would slow things down. That's okay. 9472 wide. Oh, 2048 though. Right. Oh, right. 256. What did I select? No, I misclicked. There. Normal map. So now we have this, which is good. So we have this guy. We just need to set it up with the here. It's gonna be great spider hit long. Okay. So this is now done. And now, what do we have still left? I think it's just the walking backwards, but let's just double check. So yeah, we did the reactions. Yeah, we did the jumping, the idols. Yeah, we did all of these now. So the only thing that's left to do is the walk backwards. Yep. So let's do that, and then we're done with the animations on Spider. Then we go set up the jump attack. Spear 2. Okay, looks good. So this one is in what folder again? It's just going to be walk backwards together, not reactions, just walk backwards. Spaces or anything. Backwards. Save. Go. It's already done. Normal. Go. Walk backwards. Save. Okay. We're good. Now let's just set it up here and excellent, done. How long is this? 10 frames. Oh, that's the perfect number. That's the perfect number. I love 10 frames. No thinking involved when there's 10 frames. Just beautiful. Last one. Okay. Export. And now we want to go into here, and this is going to be walk backwards. I think it's abbreviated backwards. Forward's usually FWD. It's not BWD. BKWD? I think. Okay, well, let me bring that in. Ads are about to play, but that's fine. We'll bring this in anyway. That's not going to stop us. Say about to play, but I guess not. I thought I saw a notification saying ads are about to play. But neither delays. I think it gives a 1 minute warning. Center. Map. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Looks good. Let's go ahead and set it up in here. It's like the other one. Great. Spider walk. Backward. A directional. we're not using this still as of yet, but doesn't mean I won't. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so that's now all good. So we now have all the animations done. So let's move this Spidey bro aside.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Oh, finished just before the ads. But yeah, we're gonna be working on with this guy and setting up the jump attack or jump to, jump away, just jumping. And I learned of what might be a really easy way to do this. And I just want to see if it's really as simple as that. Because apparently there's a node that you can just get in Unreal that makes the arc effectively for you for jumping. And if it's as easy as fusing it, then this should be super simple. And if it doesn't work for us, this will be very complicated. So I'm hoping it's going to be very easy. Yeah, I'm hoping it's going to be very easy. In the meantime, I will go ahead and navigate to... I'm going to want it to be on everyone. So I'm going to set up this on everyone. Oh no, this is on everyone. It's going to be on... It has to be a behavior tree. It's an AI behavior tree thing. Because obviously I don't need it because I'm going to just jump. Yeah, it's a behavior tree thing. Yep. Yeah, as soon as the ads are done. Okay. So, we're going to do a... I'm going to do, instead of a try attack, oh, which one's going to be easier to grab? Yeah, let's use this one. Instead of this move backwards, I'm going to do jump to let's do a jump to player one, and let's go with that. So we're not going to do a AI move to. We're not going to do this. Switch this over. Get rid of this. Need that. I'm gonna need my actual location. I'm gonna need its location. Don't need you guys. Can I delete unused variables here? Yep. Okay. Okay, so we're going to use a launch character. Launch character. I just realized something. I got my reference to myself here through my attack target. Why am I not doing that? Everywhere. Because I need to actually use the variables. Okay, I see. These need to be replaced with interfaces at some point. Later. But what I learned Apparently there's a node, and we pull up the name of that node. Wrote it down in a notepad. It's called Suggest Projectile Velocity Custom Arc. Suggest projectile. Oh, there's a moving target. Is this new? Is this new? Oh, I do this. This wasn't. Hold on. Oh, this is good. I like this. So we're gonna launch ourselves. The velocity is gonna be here. Optional override for roll gravity Z. No. Time to target. I can change the time. Debug. Just do for duration 3 seconds. I just want to see it. Okay, so target actor is going to be us. The start location is going to be, well, our location. The location offset is going to be the target location. Get forward vector. No, it's here. Forward actor forward vector. So we get the forward vector. And I guess we don't need the location here. And then we multiply it by how far forward we want to do this. Float. Connect to float. Forward to a variable. And then we're going to call this future position distance prediction. Oh, terrible name. So let's go with like well, prediction already means future, so do distance moved prediction. Let's go with that. And let's say like 200. Where will he be in 200 units, assuming he's moving like, right, all that same stuff. And then do this, and then succeed. Is there a fail state? I tell you, never have this plugged into any of these, but because it should never fail. But it should go here. But no, actually, this will help me more. So let's jump to player now. If I go to your graph, actually, you're using, I think, just AI enemy. Yep, AI enemy. So let's try it out. This, scooch these over and actually just attach these. We're gonna have him just do my jump to player. And here we need attack target. I did not forget for once to select it, as I always do. So now Okay, well, a couple of things are wrong here. So it's doing the prediction correct. But why is he so slow? And I think it's because this here, Z gravity override, I think it's literally overriding to be 0. I thought this was like an offset. One. Time to target 3 seconds. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. Actually, for 1 frame. He's like... So let's change this distance to like 50. Why? Right, so he's in the air now. And he's gonna stay in the air. Where is the... AAC enemy. What is AAC enemy? Hold on. Eject. Where is he? There's the BP Gruntling. BP... You. Yeah, so he's just flying into the sky forever and ever. Okay. This is for sure needs to be the way it is. So, do I need to do an offset here? In terms of target actor? No, it should do its... I wonder if it's meant for like 1.0 gravity, and because I have it at... hold on. Set gravity. Where do I set gravity? What's under? What's it under? Oops. It's under character movement. Set gravity scale to 1. Just want to see if it's this, because my gravity scale is a 3. That might be messing. The heck? Is it the ground friction again? Set ground. It's gonna undo to get this ground friction to 0. Is it the ground friction again? No, it's not. Okay, hold on. Suggest projectile with a custom arc without moving target. Because I can do this manually myself. I can put in the start location is the start location. Here, get actor location. and the location is me. Velocity is there. No over 0 for this. Don't override by anything. Because this should be a 0 to work. I'm pretty sure. Arc parameter. Change the height of the arc 0 to 1, where 0.5 is the default medium arc, 0 is up, and 1 is directly towards. Okay. Oh, there we go. That works better. So let's use that because that's working. I don't know what the other one is. This one's working. I think I need to change the position of the. Can I do debug sphere or debug sphere? Can you draw a debug sphere here at the center? 100 duration 3, 50 radius. Don't need that big. Okay, so it's at the bottom of me. And I also wonder if it's I'm gonna see something. I'm gonna delay this by 5 seconds. I don't think it's gonna change anything. So what was happening is it was running again. Because it was this launching, he never finished the launch. He never finished the launch. So true. I mean, it's always going to be true. So I guess I need a delay in here. Let's see. I don't like that he's hopping around. So if I did arc 0, oh. Five? What happened? Why? Point 0.8. Wait, did I read this wrong? 1 is directly towards. So I want to go up. So like 0.2 for a bigger jump. So yes. But I think the problem here is the gravity scale. Override gravity -2. Excuse me? My good sir? My good sir? Why are you waiting? Why is this aborting? You should be setting me. What the heck? Is not set. Aborted. Abort self. I'm gonna hit you. Gonna set me now? Two seconds. It was just working. What the heck happened? Why is he... What? I'm confused. Also... There you go. Just want to turn on my lights, but I didn't want to bother your Amazon Echoes. Just in case. Why did that stop working? I'm confused. If I go to, not here, on enemy, yeah, this should work. I mean, it's not an elegant way of doing this by any means. Yeah, printed. Yeah, it's finding me. String. It found me and it triggered. It's clearly going here. I'm so confused of what happened. What did I do? Is this the problem? Oh my god, that was the problem. It wasn't that I was not detecting it. It was just, it didn't like one gravity for some reason. So why is he not going all the way to me? And is that because his gravity is too high? Get component. Set gravity. No, it's not this one. Get character movement. Sets gravity. Scale. Gonna see if the problem is my 3.0 gravity. 1. Yes, so now he lands on me. So that's the problem. Option override of world gravity Z. Well, so I have 3, so I'd want to override it by -2 to make it 1.0 gravity. But when I do that, he doesn't work. If I do like a small amount, increase, positive any small amount does not, just it refuses to do anything. Negative small amount, he tries but he fails. So this override just doesn't work. So it's like I need this. I need that. So here's what I can do. Because I'm pretty sure on my main character, I have an on-landed thing. And I think I'm resetting the gravity anyway. No, but I can. I'm doing it here after 3 seconds, but unlanded, I can make sure that... Oh no, here it is. Yeah, it's a gravity scale. Yeah, I am doing it already. So I can do that. I can make it 1 there. Okay. So that's now working. But if I do this, that's going to be a problem, right? Just want to double check. Yep. 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 It's a problem. Oh, you know what I can do? It should have the delay. So 1 second delay. Probably this doesn't have like the time to like get to me. But we want the prediction. Okay, right? So let's do the prediction. So now he gets to me. What if I did 2 here? Does the distance matter? Is it always 1 second? Or about 1.5 seconds? I'm trying to see what the timing is on this. Let's say somewhere between 1 and 1.5 seconds. I mean, here's the test. Is it under 1 second? We'll know if I just push this under 1, and we'll see if it bugs out, right? So it's not under 1 second, and the fact that he was perfectly landing... Right, he's perfectly landing. Oh, he's not. Okay, how do I do this? This might be a terrible idea. Oh, because
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
I wouldn't be able to do this because it's not checking this every single second. It got the information once, so I wouldn't be able to do this. I mean, I could try, but I'm pretty sure this won't work. What does this print me? I just want to see while ads are playing. It just prints true. Because, right, it successfully found a location. Print. This is gonna trigger only false. Well, the first thing I can do is wait for the ads to finish. I have some ideas of how to do this. Okay, so what I'm thinking is first, here, we add the decorator for the airborne thing. Blackboard. Where's the first one? So, is airboard not set? Okay, board self. Now he's not going into the air during. He's not getting that tag. So let's make him get the tag when he jumps. So here we can do add gameplay tag, airborne. So now he can't do it, right? He can't do it immediately. So now he can bunny hop to me. And if I did this, and I looked at I still need that cooldown. Even though he shouldn't be able to enter it. Why is he still in the air now? Because he shouldn't be able to come here if I did a print string. Whoa! Why is it continuing to fire? Did I not do it correctly? Result change, yeah. Is not set. Only do when it's not set. Because this would make it so he can't ever jump. He'll just always wait. So I guess I do need some kind of delay. Now, because we now have it, is it just that I need some kind of delay, or do I need like still the same delay? Oh, he's somehow still coming in here. Okay. That seems good. I don't like hard coding this delay in. That's the only thing. But for now, this might need to do. We might need to do this. What I can also do I can make this an actual action in the blueprint. Like, and then he just runs the function. So instead of doing this in the behavior tree level, if I did this on the character's blueprint, like the enemy blueprint, so all enemies have the access to it, same thing, I could just have it run that function through the behavior tree and then same result. And then but then I still have the problem is like how to run it runs the function. Great. And then how does it then wait? Because right, the way I'm thinking of it is, let's say I have it on the character. He does the actual attack, or he does the jump. He starts it. In the behavior tree, it is now going to go to the next thing once it's trace executed. What I can do is, on the character, I can have on the character I can set up a timer that continues to go until he's landed. And when he's landed, he'll throw a bool. And then that can trigger for a while loop, because while he's in the air. I mean, then I can just keep this here and do this, that same stuff. This turned out to be much more complicated than I was hoping. Isn't it always? Okay. He doesn't also have access to attack target. because I'm not storing in here, but I can store it here. So I can store it here. That's fine. Right, so we store it. Great. Let's take... Copy all this. So we're going to need to change the stuff. Back target, actor location. This character movement. It's my own location. Yep. And then I'm just launching myself and giving myself the tags. I can put all of this in a function. And this is going to be jump towards player. Right, so he does this, he launches it, and then does if I did a while loop, get gameplay tags as tag airborne. While this is true, it's gonna do this uncompleted. I want to just print string. I just want to make sure that actually I can do a return node. And return landed true. I don't think this will work. But save everything in case. Yeah, so he's not, we're not doing the, right, it's not checking every time. And that's what I figured will happen. So if I come here, right, and I did. Print string here. I call this landed. And on this behavior tree, I just have it print hellos. Doesn't matter. I just want to see that how often it's triggering. Yeah, it only does it once. And at the very beginning, it is false. So, that while loop needs to be here. Which is what I figured. Okay. Complete it'll go here. It'll succeed. While get gameplay tags. Well, you have airborne. Just keep waiting until that succeeds. I don't know if it will. No. Because it's not updating. Because again, it's not reading this information longer. While he is not moving on ground, this. I'm gonna complain about the same thing, right? Yep. How do we do this? How do I delay it? How do I delay it? Huh. It can't fire multiple times. It can only do it with the information it has in here. And the problem was suggest for moving target, right, wasn't working. Because this one has the time to target. And because it has a time to target on this one, I could theoretically use it. Oh, let's try it one more time. I'm gonna do this. The target. Location offset 0. Gravity over 0. Time target 1. Delay by 1. Let's try this suggest moving target one more time. At launch velocity. Launch velocity. Oh, now it's working. Sort of. Oh, now it's working. Sort of. He's not... Okay, so it's actually working. So if I did gravity 1, then it's working. Because if I set it back to gravity 3, which is what we have it at, then okay, you know what? So let's do that. There's our fix. There's our problem solved. Great. It's just we need to set the Because when we were originally testing it, we weren't setting gravity to 1. I don't need to set this target. Okay. Get rid of this. So now it is now jumping to him. And this should now work again, right? If I set this back to 1, the time to target, you can make a variable. And that will also be the delay here. Okay, so if we want him to take longer, we come here. Oh, I have a distance move prediction 50. That's why. If I did 0. Oh, I didn't plug that in. Right? No, it is plugged in. Yeah. So now he'll jump. He should jump to me instead of like where I. Yeah. So now he's trying to jump to me. Okay. Okay, we got it. Just had to reset gravity to 1. Freaking hell. Hey, Karai, welcome in. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. So this is now all working. This is now airborne. Great. That's gonna be success. So now let's switch all this over. So now what we want to do is time to target, expose that. And now here we can change, let's say, 3 seconds to get to me. So he's going to do a bigger arc because it always takes 3 seconds. Okay, I want it to be based on distance. The time it takes, I want it to be based on distance. Between the two. So if he's super close, it should be a quick jump. If he's super far, it should take longer. We can do that. We can find that out. We can do distance between vectors. And so we can do get actor location. And so we can do from this one and we need to get this one. This is the prettiest thing, but let's move this back. I just moved it over and we're moving it back already. So this, let's see what kind of distances we're getting. I mean, it should be just the distance, but 70. Yeah, 2000. Okay. So we want to remap, and of course it's not called remap. It's, what is that thing called? Let's go to action character that I always forget the note. Map range unclamp. That's what we want. Map range unclamped. So this is the value that we're going to be using. And let's say if you're 1,000 units away, it'll take 1 second. And if you're 2,000 units away, right, it'll take 2 seconds. So 1 second per Lead the store guy, turn in the direction you jumped. He will, that's yeah, he'll probably do that. Yeah, once he. Oh, but now, right? We need to change. Also, reset this to the delay. Yeah, that's on my to-do list still. But first, we need to get the jump code working. So now he should be. Whoa! Yeah. Problem is that. Right. Okay. Let me fix one thing though. Let's go to the let's go here. Is it close? No, it's not close enough. Decorator. Is at a location? No. What's the other one called? Oh, right, because I have my value of distance to myself. So I want to make sure that I'm further away than 100 units before he jumps. So that way we don't have that problem. Why does he, like, slide to me there? That's weird. Why was he sliding there? So now it's good. I don't know why he was sliding. Okay. Okay. So that was... Oh, it's because he jumped to me and I was already longer than that, so he just jumped again super fast. We want to cool down on this. Cooldown. So that'll help tremendously. I'll say 1 second cooldown. So he just doesn't immediately jump. So now he has a kind of a minimum range. And he has... So... And that seems like a good time. Like, that speed-wise seems like it's pretty good. Look at that. That seems pretty good. Okay. And he's pretty good about landing on him. Awesome. Which also means that I didn't actually need to do... or tweak this distance offset. That seems like it was good, but I think I reset that. Yeah, so distance move prediction. Is an entire offset. So it's not a... I don't need to do this. Okay, I understand. So I don't need this. This is a move prediction. Change this to a vector. This is or move prediction offset.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Okay. Because if I, yeah, so that, oh. Fresh. There you go. Yeah, so I can offset this like in the air if I wanted to. Yeah, so his target is now in the air, so he jumps over me. Okay. Awesome. So yeah, let's do the, once ads are done, let's start looking into the rotation. Yeah, we need to have them rotate. Now, what's the best way of doing that? I think there's a way of calculating the direction between two vectors. To say I always forget which one it is to do that, and then we can set the actor rotation to be that. And then he does the and then he does the animation. Theoretically, it should work. Question mark. Okay. Let's try it. So here, I think it's find lookout rotation. Find rotation of objects at start rotation to point at target location. That's literally what I want to do. At actor location. And target location. And then take all you, scoot you over. Time to target we are no longer using. Kill you. Sect actor rotation. I mean, it's never this easy, so this probably won't work. It is that easy. Okay. It is that easy. Oh, he's still jumping way over my head. I didn't reset the... Oh no, I set it to 0. Why is he like jumping like way... Oh, it's because he's still predicting, right? He's still predicting where I'm gonna go. But he now rotates properly, which is fantastic. Okay. Okay, so now we can start implementing this on his actual graph. Also, I have this whole, like, it's a combination melee and ranged setup for the same, and I probably should separate it out. Melee. Ranged. Because basically the way I had it, I've configured it is to. The way I've configured it is I have just a blackboard thing that just says ranged enemy. And effectively, if I have, like when he spawns, he just sees, do I have a ranged attack piped into my montages? If yes, then he will go into the range section. And if no, then he just ignores this range section. So it's like, I might as well have it here. Just makes it easy. I don't have to like worry about ranged enemies separately. But what I now want to do is thank you. And now we want to do a couple of things. So we want to have a choice. So for your melee, we can move to the target or we can jump to the target. And so I'm going to do a selector. So the selector is either going to move to or jump to. And then I'm going to add the decorator that I made before, which is the random chance one. And the chance of jumping to him, let's say, is 50%. Then he's going to rotate towards you. And then he's going to and then he's going to attack you, or he's going to try to attack you. And then I'm going to do the moving stuff. I'm also going to do the 50% chance of then moving backwards. And then 50% chance of going to a random location near me. And then what I also want to do is, if this is false, if my let's go with this move to acceptable radius, I'm also going to do a jump to player here. Let's try here. But I'm going to say only do this when I'm greater than 600. And I'm going to actually do a selector here. It's going to do either this move to or this. Right. But it has a 25% chance to do this, to actually just jump to me, and only if I'm over 600 units away. Actually, let's do I'm less than 600 units away. Not more that. Because I don't want to jumping from 2,000 units away. That's just going to be ridiculous. So now, whole thing, he's going to try to come. Oh, also, what I want to do is here, I want to do a timed thing here, right? Because he's going to keep moving towards me until he gets to me. So I'm going to add a timed and is at location. No. It's the time limit. So let's set 2 seconds. So he's gonna fail out of here. He's gonna go rotate towards me, which is he's always rotating towards me, so it's fine. He's not gonna be at location. He's gonna fail out of here, and then let's see what happens. I should do this so I can actually see what's going on. is he doing right now? Is he doing... Why does it show this one? Oh, it's because it's showing me these guys. Yep. This one. Okay, here we go. So he's doing that move too. But I need to add the timer thing on there as well. So copy, paste. This one, please. Needs to be within a certain distance. Oh, there we go. He just jumped to me. I'm in within range. What's the range here? Let's see. It's 500 units. And this is moved to... It's way too close. 50. Distance greater than 100. Yep. $500 units isn't that far. Oh, there we go. That was good. Come on. Okay, there we go. He jumped to me. I think the speed there is a little too fast. I don't like that. Whatever is happening there, I don't like. I don't know why it's happening. I think I want to slow him down a little bit. So let's go here, and then let's do 1.53. Okay. Oh. So he now effectively can jump and attack me without needing to, what's it called? Program a separate jump attack. Which is pretty much what I wanted. Speed seems a lot better now. Speed seems a lot better now. Okay. I don't like that little slide. I don't like that little slide, I'll be honest. I don't know why it happens. Why did he do that twice? Oh, you know why? Because he did this one, then this one. So when he is over 600, when he jumps and he becomes over 600 units away, or still under 600 units, but over 500, then he'll do it. So when he jumps, he sometimes gets outside of this melee range. So I'm going to change this range to be 750. And change this range to be 1000. Now let's see how that looks. I know you can jump to me. Come on. 50%. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay. What's the speed? Speed feels okay. I think the problem is his walking speed seems slow, right? It's the speed of his jump feels okay, but his walking speed feels slow. So let's just increase his walking speed. For this character specifically. I'm not going to increase it for everybody. So let's set it to 300. 50% more. You know what I think it is? I think it's when he jumps to me, it's the collisions slightly pushing him away when we overlap. I think that's what's happening. Okay, but this is not working. That's fantastic. Also, him chasing me at this speed feels a lot better. Okay, so now what else I want to do is I want to do an attack combo. An attack combo seems like the next step, and that should be relatively simple. So I go to the try attack. I'm going to try attack combo. And let's change this up. I need to fix this on all of them, but haven't done it yet. Remove gameplay tag. It's gonna be the attack one. Boom. Boom. Same thing here. Review. Okay. Sure he plugged in. Okay, that's all good. So what we need to do is do it for each loop. I think that's pretty much all we need to do this combo, because he's just going to do them all in order, I think, at the current moment. So take this. Scooch it over. Scooch it like all the way there. And so when we're checking if it's valid, we're going to check all of them. So I need new functions for these. So let's do that. Let's go to the action character. So it's get light attack combo, and instead of getting a random one, we're just going to it's not getting the combo, it's getting all of them. So let's just return all of them. So get all light attacks. Get all light attacks. So now we can do a for each loop. You're not gonna do this. this, this. Okay. So what we need to do is check if it's valid. So we're gonna do it as a bool, and I'm going to set a new variable. I'm gonna check and all atoms valid. So if it's valid, it's going to return true. I'm just going to say return true, but I don't want to just set it. By default, this is going to be true. So instead, I'm going to do is valid. And I'm just going to say, if it is not valid, it is going to set it to false. Right? If it's valid, it doesn't do anything. If it's not valid, it's going to set it to false. And here, just to make sure, it is being set to true at the beginning. And so uncompleted, if this is false, that means we just exit out of here. Play attack. You can even keep the same name. And if it is true, then we continue on. Right? Because now we know that every single attack here is valid. Yep, should work. Then from here, we need to go and play them all. So again, do another for each loop. This is from the true. We're going to play the atom sequence. Now, the difference here is on completed, we're not going to do this. This only goes when it's actually completed. So this actual completed goes on here. And then on canceled, right? Then we still do all this normal stuff on canceled. But the completed only happens the removal. And you know what? I don't, so it doesn't try to add it multiple times here. I'm going to set this add tag. Set this add tag here. So it only does it once here. Between the for loops. So now it should do the entire thing. If any of these are canceled, oh, I don't know if he'll play. Oh, I don't know if he'll try to play all of them at once. This might not work. Oh, I need to, well, tell him to do this. Try attack combo. Attack target. I need to come. Okay, jump to player. We can close out of here for now. We don't need the ASC enemy. We just close some of the stuff. Close you. Don't need you. How quickly do you go here? Immediately. So it does not wait for any of the animations. So that's the problem. Oh boy, so we have the same issue where I was hoping to make this modular to be any kind of length combo. But I might need to hard code it to be a 3 attack combo and then make another one that's like a 2 attack combo. Because I basically need to do it on completed, where it does the next one. And you can't pause a loop. But you can do it with a regular array. Not pause it, but you can do it. Last index. I have an idea. Well, this part is fine. This part is fine. So this part that needs to be... I have an idea. So what I need to do is grab the last index here and do a for loop. Last index being that. It goes there. And then I'm going to get that. The result is the same. Right now, the result is the same. But now, oh, I need, not this one. I need, for a loop, with break. No, I can do it this way. I just don't need this here. So what I'm going to do is return to this variable, and this is current index. And so what we're going to do is increment the current index immediately, not uncompleted, immediately. And then we need to check if it is equal to the last index. Because
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Okay. So while ads are playing, I'll kind of run through the. It's not equal. I think it's greater or equal. Yeah, I think it's or is greater. So basically, if it runs index 0 and the maximum is index 0, you'll become. Oh, I need to compare it first, and then if it's the same, then we know we can stop it. If last index is 1 and it is 0, it is not the same, and so it will do the loop again with a new value, and then it'll become 1, and then it'll see, okay, it is now the same, so it'll break out of it. So that's the thought process. I used to configure that, and basically it will literally do a for loop every time. But I don't need a for loop. I can probably do this without the for loop. We'll see. We'll see. Because I could just ignore the for loop and just get that value. Yep. Yep. I can just get it. I don't need the for loop. Okay. So we're gonna first compare this. And on completed, once it's completed, is it matching? If it is matching, then we're done and we do this. If it is not matching, then we increment the current index. And then need this. Clear, delete U, and plug current index in here. And then it will do this again. So just to confirm, it is going to check that they're all valid. It's going to give me the action game tag. And then I'm just going to make sure that current index by default here is 0. And then it's going to grab the first one. It is going to play it. When it's finished playing it, it is going to see if it is the last index of all my attacks. If it is, great, we get exit out of here. If it is not, it will play the next one and increment that index, so now it'll get index 1. This should work. That looks like it works. He's doing all 3 of them. He's doing all 3 of them. Okay. Okay. I love it when I figure things out. Doesn't it feel great when you figure things out? Um. Okay. Everything else is good. Everything else is good. Okay. So now in the behavior tree. Plug these back in. And now we can have him occasionally do a combo attack. So here. I'm gonna kill this. The cooldown. I'm gonna give you the here. And get ourselves a selector here. And so it's gonna do the attack combo and this. And the attack combo is going to have our random chance. And we're going to say he has a 20% chance to do a combo. Nope. The walk backwards thing I gotta change. I think I want to get rid of the walk backwards thing. Walk backwards thing isn't really working properly. Oh, that's the combo. That was the combo. Percent chance to succeed. Let's do like 20%. I'll keep it, but just lower chance. The radius max here, like 250. So he doesn't go as far. And just for testing purposes, 50. Oh, observer abort self. That's important. He's still moving while attacking. Why is he still moving while attacking? Okay, here, let's fix up some stuff here. I'm just gonna copy it. Try attack combo. Where is my... Oh, I reordered stuff entirely, so... Back. You... Remove gameplay tag. Needed, cancelled. Back. Attack. Okay. He should... Oh, you know what it is? I don't lock his animations, actually. Like, I don't lock the AI movement. But we should do that. We should lock the AI movement during attacks. Don't I do that here? I thought I did that here. I was going to copy it. What's the growing shadow? No, where? No, it's not the teleport. I thought there was one. Not jump to player, range attack. It's the ramming attack where I did it. Where I told it to not move. Yeah, it's the set movement mode. That's what I did. I was like, I just want to make sure that's the one I'm going to do. So on try attack, assuming that it succeeds here. I'm going to basically stop him from moving. And then on complete or on cancel, either one. We're going to let him move again. And actually, speaking of that, did I do that for the ramming attack? On failure? No, I didn't. Because if for some reason it cancels out, it still should, well, it should still be able to move afterwards. So that probably is one of the reasons I had some of the bugs. Okay. That should fix that. And then here, again, it's this. And then on completed also. Okay. And I will take... I'll take this, and I'll just copy it. And I'm going to put it also on the attack combo. Should do this on all of them. So that way they don't accidentally start moving on me. And so let's go with, so I have the tri-attack that we did. I have the tri-attack boss version. Let's scooch it here. I'm going to, on all of these, also need to add the other one. So the stopping. So I'll have to go back through all of them. That's fine. This is a necessary thing. So we have the attack combo, ramming attack, good, ranged attack. Now, it's possible that I'm going to want some of these attacks to move. But if that's the case, I will then make it so they move. Intentionally. That's the way I see it. But right now, at the current moment, I don't want any of them to move when they're attacking. I just want them to play it. Their animation. teleport, same thing. That's also why he was like walking a little bit at the end. A spider. This will prevent that. The jump to player. Yeah, also needs it, but doesn't need the failure one. Nope. What? Oh, I just never. I was just see. This is the one where it's called different. Okay. The move backwards, same thing. No, the move backwards we definitely no. We don't want to stop his movement from the moving backwards. The jumping we and also just realized we don't want to stop it from the jumping either. I got too carried away. We don't want to do it on this attacks. Teleport, attacks, combos. Yeah, okay. We don't want to do it on freaking on just the movement. Okay. So now this is the backwards view. Not doing that there. So is the jump there? Nope, not there. Okay. For this, we now need to place here. So once it's valid, we set the movement mode to none. And then we're good. So here, once we know it's valid, set to none. Okay. Ramming attack. We need to do this. Sphere trace. We need to do that. We can do that here, right before the start. Oh no, we can't. We don't want to do this on the ramming attack. He literally needs to move. Oh, actually, no. We can do this on the ramming attack because we're moving him with a timeline. We're moving him with a timeline, so theoretically, we'll have to double check this. He should be able to still ram us. We're forcing his movement. We're not. He's not moving himself. So we have the none attack there already. Or none movement. Want to do it here. So once it knows all of them are valid. Yep, looks good. Okay. Let's see Oh, come on. Why is he sliding? What happened? He shouldn't be able to. Attack combo. It literally did the opposite. What happened? Stop active move. Maybe that. I'll do the same thing here. Why is he sliding still? That's my guess as to why. There's literally sliding now. He wasn't sliding before. How is it worse? And just to confirm it's worse, I'm gonna bypass the set movement to none. And I'm gonna bypass this, and I'm gonna bypass this on the try attack, the single attack. Yeah, he's stuck. Okay, that's the combo, but he's stuck. That's the single one, he's stuck. He's doing combo again. Okay, no, he's still moving. He's very much teleporting. Why? I am doing it on him. He's doing combo, he's like sliding. None. It says none. Okay. What the hell is going on? None. He should be stuck. What possible reason is it for you to... He's trying to move to. He's doing move to. But why did he exit out of there before the animation's finished? That's the problem. He exited out before animation's finished. So let me see. Is it successfully or print fail? Print success. Fail. He's failing. So he's going here. Okay, let's find out why. Let's get to the bottom of this. Is it failing here? Yes. Why is it also triggering so many times? It's because this is failing. That's the problem. Is this none is being overwritten. Why is it triggering multiple times? Is it just because I removed the cooldown? Abort. Let's do like 10 seconds for the combo. Is it because I... Okay, it's the cooldown. It was triggering multiple times. So that's why it was happening. That's why he was sliding. So the question then for me is, do I need that? Do I need this? Or was that the whole reason why I also was sliding? That was the reason I was sliding. Okay, well, now live and learn. Don't need this. I can clean it back up. Whatever. Let's go ahead and open all those. Teleport. That's the ramming one that I wanted intentionally to keep. The rest we can remove. You know what? Live and learn. And that's what we do here. Learn. A lot. All the time. And it's great. Hey, Rodrigo, welcome in. Character like that reminds you of the character of Comic Zone. I don't know the reference, but I assume it's a good thing. I hope it's a good thing. I'm gonna assume it's a good thing. Ramming attack we want to keep as is. This one we already removed, and so we no longer need to, this. And we're not keeping this, in fact, so that. You. And, okay. Last one. All it was is a freaking cooldown that was doing it. I don't know why it tries to do the oh, actually I do know why it tries to do it multiple times. It's because we have a time limit. Good thing, yes, Google it. That's a Sega game. Nice. I haven't played Sega games in so long. So now he will jump to me occasionally.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Oh no, why is he sliding? No, see. thought I gave a cooldown on that. Why? Why? Well, well, as they're playing, I'm gonna quickly Google Comic Zone. Oh, it's like the old school like beat 'em ups. The hair on this guy. Oh, a nice little ponytail. I'll take it. I'll take it. It is a good thing. Good. Why is he sliding? Do I need to freeze him during the combo? Is that it? So when he's doing the individual one, it's fine. Doing the combo, he hasn't failed. Okay, I think I need to I think I actually need to have the movement thing on this one. The stopping of the movement. Okay, I'm gonna re-add it to the combo only. Hopefully the last time I'm re-adding this. Now that we know that it is still sliding, I'm hoping that now it's going to be fine. We have a cooldown on it. It shouldn't go into this. It shouldn't overwrite it. Okay. It's in place. It's in place. And he's doing his combo in place. Okay. There we go. We're good. And just to make sure, yeah, he's just gonna jump after me. And once I anger this one, he's gonna charge me. Oh, he's gonna teleport to me first. And he's gonna get to nav range. Now look, now they're all here because he jumped into the navigation volume. Ooh, that's a... How did he get stuck? How did he get stuck there? I wasn't looking. Oh, that's a wise... What's going on? Why are they getting stuck? Jump to me, please. Jump to me again. How did you get stuck? How did you get stuck? What happened? What happened? Of course, now that I'm trying to get you to stick, you're not gonna stick. Huh. Is it because they landed on each other or collided on each other in the air? Trying to get... I also need to do a test for that tax that he's not in the air. Just running around. This is also a great test to see that just running around without dodging. What happened there? He jumped while he was way too close into me. So I think maybe jump at least 150. Yeah. Let's try that. Jump to me. Come on, jump to me. It's either a test with both of you. But at least, you know, it is definitely more interesting now. Okay. So far, so good. He jumped from so close there. Why he jumped from so close there? Hold on. Jump to player. There should be no way for it to fail and not do anything. I do also want to do on the attacks. I'm going to add another decorator, and I'm going to say for the airborne. Blackboard. Is airborne not set? For both of these. So that way they don't attack me in the air. Maybe that's also part of the problem. Maybe just to make it so it's like 250 units away, and then they'll jump to me. But problem is, I just need to figure out why I get stuck, right? So it's better to fix the problem than just get a workaround for it. But so far, this is a lot better in general, right? This enemy is a lot more fun. I don't like Why does he jump from so close? Is my only concern. If I do this. So the jump ones are this left one and this one. You jump to me here. Maybe 150 is smaller range than I thought. That is a pretty small range. You know what? Let's do 250. Greater than 250. So he doesn't do that tiny jumps. Yep. Yeah, that's still... That felt like super small. Oh, you know what it is? It's because of the prediction. I am at least 250 away, but the prediction is closer. That's what it is. So let's program in a fail. Let's program in a fail. If this... So if the distance between this is greater to minimum jump distance, I make this exposed. Default being let's say 250. And if it fails, and if it's not, then we just exit out. That'll do it. It's because the prediction area is right next to him. So now he shouldn't jump. If the prediction area is going to be next to him. Or if I'm next to him. And actually, no, I don't need the if I'm next to him part. He can jump earlier. So I'm going to remove the me being within range, because that doesn't matter. It's just the prediction part that matters, and that's already built into it. And then on this one, yeah, I want to keep the less than 1,000 because I just don't want him to jump from too far away. Okay, so that should fix any of the small jumps. You'll still have those jumps, but the super small ones should be gone. He should, if I do this, he should not be jumping. Yeah. Random chance failed. He is, he's not jumping to me. And when he jumped, he was further away. Okay. And I saw it went to the jump to player, but he was yep, but now he's further away, so okay. Awesome. So now our attack stuff is a lot better. Just for shits and giggles. Let's go. Let's go ahead and anger all of these. See how they play all together. Okay. They're not jumping. He can charge. Ooh, do we want him to charge? You know what? That charge attack later down the line, I'm gonna want to do like it'll knock up like even allies potentially, maybe, or go through allies. Knock up allies, I think, would be more fun. Oh! He got stuck again. I managed to get him stuck again. And the spider's nowhere to be seen. Why? I can try disabling... I can try disabling the collision on him with pawns until he until here. Let's try it. Get capsule set collision response. Collision under type? No. Yeah, it's this one. So I can try doing this, where right before he does this, we're going to change pawn to ignore. And then after he's done, I set pawn to block. And we don't need to worry about this one because he'll never... If he fails, it's just whatever's there. And I wonder if that will fix it. Because now he should go through my pawn. Why is he in the air? It's not because of this. They're not jumping. They're getting stuck from something else. Oh no, it says hello. It's trying to jump, but yeah, it's failing. Print here. Just more we know, it actually did jump, basically. Maybe I do need the minimum. He probably tried to, because I was going to be further away than the distance. He probably tried to, yep, hello. Okay, so I think I do still need a minimum distance away from me. So that way it doesn't, it doesn't start literally on top of me. So let's add this blackboard. Value change. Self. And we're gonna do distance to target. Greater. So at least 100 units away from me. Yep. Yep. I'll put that back here. Less than oh, you don't need this. Here, he'll definitely be far enough away. It's just this one. Okay. Now that he shouldn't be able to jump right from me. Why was he able to jump that little distance? Was that within? That was 250? And I mean, I guess it was. Oh, you know what it is? I don't have this prediction location. This is not the right thing. This is just the distance between the two. It's still not doing the prediction location. I don't have access to that. This is not going to help. That's not going to help. The prediction location is calculated within this thing that I don't have access to. So it's possible. For now, I'm going to keep it as is. And then I'm going to change where... $250 again for the minimum here now. I might need to make my own custom one later. But you know what? For now, I think it'll be fine. Okay. He's still in the air. How did you got stuck again? You didn't jump. You just got stuck. You somehow get stuck in... How do you get stuck Yeah, see. That was way too close that he jumped from. I should be way further away from you before you jump. Oh. No, this is a target. No, this is target is correct. 500? No, like 400. Let's just go more extreme. For now. Mm-hmm. Why is he like flashing there for a second? That's odd. It's an odd thing there. What is he trying to do there for a brief second? Go to idle? Really bizarre, really bizarre. Oh. Huh. Well. This doesn't help. So, I might as well not do it. I thought it would. Okay, well, we got bugs to figure out. But, you know, he is jumping to us, so we did succeed on doing what we wanted. Still. Attack combo. Yeah, I need to do a custom one. But see, the problem is this one doesn't have the time to target. And that's the thing I need the most. Okay. I'll see if I can find something online. But tomorrow, I'm doing PCG stuff. We gotta figure that stuff out, so that's what I'll be doing. For a brief moment. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here for the night. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll be back tomorrow figuring out landscapes and PCG stuff for this weekend's video. Take care, guys.